Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make an amazing bullfrog cocktail, and also show you the quickest way to make a beautiful lemon garnish like a pro. So let's go and jump in. Take a medium-sized lemon, and cut into half. Please don't forget to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before cutting. Now take half of the lemon, and carefully cut it into 4 equal pieces. Now take a piece of lemon, and carefully give a small cut on the skin, so that you can easily hang it on the glass. Carefully watch how I am cutting it, and if you face any problem, please don't hesitate to contact me. I think now you will be able to make this beautiful garnish very easily at home. So let's go and jump into the mixology. Now take a shot glass, and pour about 1/4 ounce of blue curacao, and 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of sweet and sour mix. If you want to know how to make a perfect sweet and sour mix, please click on the I button on my left side. Perfect. Now cover it with an old-fashioned glass, and carefully turn the glass right side up. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Perfect. Now carefully fill the glass with lots of crushed ice. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Awesome! This is a 5-spirit cocktail, so start pouring with half an ounce or 15 milliliters of white rum. After the white rum, pour the same amount of London dry gin. Next, pour the same amount of vodka. And lastly, pour the same amount of tequila. Perfect. Now top up with chilled Red Bull. The Bullfrog cocktail is now ready, so fix the garnish that we prepared earlier. Serve this exciting cocktail as it is, and slowly remove the shot glass in front of the guest. And I am sure that your guests will appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.